Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Idiom 698. The idiom today is to be bitten by the bug. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot, do it now. Let's get right to it. If someone says that he or she is bitten by the bug, it means someone has suddenly become excited or interested in something. Okay, let's continue. The phrase is American in origin and alludes to the idea of someone's enthusiasm in something is similar to the idea of being bitten by a bug or an illness that has infected someone with this feeling of enthusiasm. So it's almost like the bug bit you, but it gave you enthusiasm. Some bugs actually carry and spread disease. However, in this sense, it is a more positive spreading of enthusiasm, interest, or passion for something. Let's continue. And we've got 4 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. Ever since his trip to Europe, he caught the travel bug, and now he often plans several overseas trips every year. This might be the most common one. I often hear them talk about somebody's got the travel bug. They started traveling and they love traveling and they just want to keep doing more and more trips. Okay. Number 2, once she planted a few seeds and the plants grew well, she caught the gardening bug. And now she has a whole garden full of plants, trees, vegetables, etc. It's another one you sometimes hear. Number 3, after the teacher gave her a part in the school play, she has caught the acting bug and always joins the drama club at school and actually wants to go on auditions for real acting jobs. Okay, and number 4, she joined a dance club in school and now she has the hip-hop bug. She wants to join all types of hip-hop dancing competitions. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.